War for data: how Ukraine became a goldmine for defense tech innovations. The Ukrainian conflict is a data goldmine for military tech companies. The information gathered on weapons systems and battle strategies is crucial for developing future technologies and strategies. The data collected in Ukraine's war zones is invaluable, especially for training AI systems. This has established an unprecedented environment where weapons development can be quickly tested on real battlefields and feedback of performance used to improve the next version of weapons. Think of it as agile software development but with military technology. Global tech companies, recognizing the unique value of the Ukrainian conflict data, are establishing a presence in the country, with some offering services pro bono, indicating the data's significant long-term value. Companies like Draganfly are using extensive data to advance their technologies, such as improving landmine detection software. With military aid pouring into Ukraine from global powers like the US and UK, Draganfly is among many tech firms seizing business opportunities, underscored by their establishment of a field office there. Draganfly has shifted its focus from North American emergency services to military applications in Ukraine, offering high-tech drones for various critical operations amid the Russian invasion. Draganfly's presence in Ukraine is extensive, involving collaborations across different branches of the government, showcasing the importance of international tech companies in the conflict zone. Concerns arise as foreign companies extract valuable data from Ukraine without apparent benefits to the local population. Ukrainian officials are now emphasizing mutually beneficial relationships for data sharing. Ukraine sees its current situation as an opportunity to build a robust defense tech industry. Government initiatives support local companies, responding to the newfound demand and potential for growth in defense technologies. Domestic companies like Aerodrone are adapting their business models in response to the conflict, contributing to the defense sector, and simultaneously accumulating valuable data that could have broader applications beyond warfare. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.